Here we have PS5 Victrix controller, and the customer said the R1 button is look like not working. As you can see guys, this one clicking and this one is look like not. If this is the first time you watch me, I fix video games and computer, so don't forget to give me like. So let's start to fix it. This is the first time I fix like this controller, so I think they have two screws. I need to open them here and also two on this side. They have two screws, one here and the second one here, also one here and the last one here. And the last one here. And also I see they have screws under this label, so I think I need to open it. All screws open, but I think they have two screws under here, so let's try. And yes, as I said, this one open and they have one screw. Just be careful. Now I think I can open it. Oh, they have this piece should be here. I think I need to open the screws. They have one here and one here to take the board and see the trigger. I already opened two screws. I opened two cables for the motors, and I think now I can take the board. Just be careful, they have ribbon cable here. And this is the board, and as you can see guys, the buttons look like in good condition. But I see the main issue on the plastic piece. When I click the trigger, it look like not working. But let's see on this side, the trigger, it look like okay. So I think the issue on the plastic piece. I need to open this type or this plastic piece because they have screws under these buttons. So they have three silver screws. I already opened them for this side and they have three here. Hopefully you see them. Now I think it's okay. As you can see guys, this part it looks like good, but this part it's broken. Unfortunately I don't have same button, but I will try to use super glue. Hopefully it work. As you can see guys, I put just super glue and hopefully this method is working. So let's return all the parts back and test. Unfortunately I tried all the way to fix this issue, but as you can see guys, the buttons look like not working as a normal. So I think I will try to find any parts and replace it. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment.